What if just one smart investment today could put your money to work for years? Most beginners buy the wrong stocks first, but today you'll learn a simple way to start with confidence. Many beginners chase viral stocks. That usually leads to emotional decisions instead of smart investing. Instead, focus on companies with strong businesses, growing earnings, healthy cash flow, and products people use every day. Large, established companies are often less volatile than many smaller, speculative stocks, making them a common starting point for new investors. Another option is investing through broad market index ETFs. They provide exposure to many companies at once. This helps diversify risk. The key isn't finding the perfect stock. It's building a disciplined habit of investing consistently over time. History shows that patient, long-term investing has often paid off, despite market ups and downs. Research the company. Understand its financial health and risks. Don't invest based only on social media hype. A simple portfolio of quality companies or diversified ETFs can be a practical way for many beginners to start building wealth. Start small, keep learning, stay consistent. That's how many successful investors build wealth over time. Which stock or ETF are you researching first? Subscribe for more beginner-friendly investing and personal finance videos.